Travon Smith, TravonSmith.net, and we've been trying to drop these. I was supposed to be weekly, maybe monthly gems on YouTube to help people out, whether it's just with their financial situation or a way of trying to achieve financial freedom. Or I always believe the best way is to get it involved in properties, but have an open portfolio of investments, whether it may be retirement accounts, cryptocurrency. But I think for the beginner, the base should be real estate. But anyway, let's get into it real quick. So I want to talk a little bit about FHA programs because a lot of minorities have issues coming up with the cash in order to buy a home. So that's what prevents most people from buying homes is the down payment and the closing costs, right? So the FHA program was created in 1934 by President Roosevelt, which changed the housing authorities, the housing market, and the government's role in real estate world. So the FHA program, and I'll get to share my screen. First thing we want to look at is the pros and cons of the of an FHA. FHA comes with a low 3.5% down payment. It usually has better rates for the most part. It's more lenient on credit scores because they figure if you're getting an FHA loan, which is a government-backed loan, then you have less money. And then you usually have lower mortgage interest rates. So, and here we get into the FHA, the cons of the FHA. The PMI is not cancelable, which is not always the case. I think is once you get 20% equity in your home, but you check with your local lenders for the correct information just to verify that. Most condos are FHA. You must be owner occupied. You must live in it for up to a year, and there's loan limits based in the region. FHA is, like, once again, I told you, it's backed by the Federal Housing Administration. It's for low to moderate income borrowers with high levels of debt. People usually have more debt. People usually have less money, which is pretty much, to be honest with you, the minority community. The FHA loan is a great program. Lower credit scores because most time the banks only need 580, and then lower down payment, which is really important, at 3.5%. So I want to get into where I was really trying to go with it today. So some people buy one property and think they can never use the FHA loan again. You can get multiple FHA loans in your lifetime as long as you qualify. So how do you qualify? That's dependent on your realtor if he has those secrets, and I do. So as long as you're not, just to give you a quick bonus tip, as long as you're not on the deed or the loan, you may qualify for another FHA. How do you get off the loan, or how do you get off the deed? Once again, you have to talk to a real estate agent who knows, somebody like myself, Travon from TravonSmith.net.